Motivation drops. Everything drops. The person who once did so much suddenly does very little, and discouragement sets in. Consistency protects against this cycle. It anchors your faith so that even when your energy fluctuates, your connection remains. Some nights you may do more. Some nights you may only manage the minimum, but the habit itself continues. That is powerful. There is also something beautiful about meeting Allah daily, even briefly. Imagine two relationships. One person meets you once a year for hours. Another checks in with you every single day, even if only for a few minutes. Which relationship feels stronger? In the same way, daily remembrance, even short, keeps the heart alive. Small, consistent deeds also accumulate in ways we cannot imagine. On the day of judgment, when scales are set and records are opened, those small nightly recitations may appear as mountains. What felt insignificant in the moment may carry enormous weight, because it was done faithfully over years. Allah multiplies what we consider small. Consistency also nurtures humility. It reminds us that guidance is a daily need, not a one-time achievement. Each night you recite, you are acknowledging dependence on Allah. You are saying, I still need you. I still seek your forgiveness. I still rely on your protection. That repeated dependence purifies the heart from arrogance. The journey to Allah is not a sprint. It is a lifelong walk. There will be highs and lows. There will be strong seasons and weaker ones. But if you anchor yourself to small, consistent acts, like reciting the last 2 ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah every night, you ensure that no matter how turbulent life becomes, your rope to Allah remains firm. In the end, it is not about being perfect every night. It is about never completely disconnecting. It is about choosing remembrance over neglect, even in small amounts. And those small, steady steps may be the very deeds that transform your life and secure your success in the hereafter.